Traders, how are you? Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, the 6th of February. And as always, we are going to start with yesterday's trades, okay? And if you stay to the end of the vid, I'll also give you my trade ideas for today and the important news as well. So stay tuned. Let's start with yesterday. So we were looking at New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and we were looking to sell this pair. And I'm still in this trade. All right, it hasn't come down yet. We were looking to sell it for the following reasons. So price was clearly in a downtrend. Yeah. So tick in a downtrend. We broke this support and we had a nice big bearish candle and we had a bit of room to move into back down to this 8117 level. All right. So that was the idea, guys. If we drop down to the H4, yeah, we were just waiting for a reaction in this grey zone somewhere, guys, all right? Because price also, you know, H4 was in a downtrend. Price retraced, okay? And then we got this nice bearish H4 candle here, guys. So I pretty much entered on that, okay? Got a little bit of a retrace. I've entered here. My stop is in here because my stop needs to be up here. But then the risk to reward becomes very skewed. Instead, I've put my stop loss here, guys, all right? And even if I do get taken out, we can hedge up to this level, all right? But my stop loss is here. I'm still looking for another reaction today in this grey zone to come lower, all right? This is still a trade idea. So we're still in this trade, guys. Yeah, we'll see what happens today, but we want to start seeing some bearish candles start forming. And then we can enter again on this pair. All right, so that's where we are with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. We're still in that trade. There were two other pairs we were looking at. So US dollar, Swiss franc, we were looking to buy this. And we saw some real strength in the US dollar yesterday. So why were we looking to buy this? Well, we were in an uptrend. Price came all the way back down to this level of support, yeah, and then we got this nice candle, and then we also got this very nice bullish candle. All right, and as soon as we saw this bullish candle, guys, the idea was just to take price back up to these heights, and that's exactly what happened, but it never retraced. Yeah, so if we look at the H4, yeah, by the time we woke up, was in here. We just wanted to retrace into here, and then price comes up. But as you can see, price just went and hit target. All right, guys. So we couldn't get in on that pair, but direction was good. Maybe you did get on it, guys. If you did trade this, please let us know in the comments below. And finally, guys, there was also an indice what we were looking at, and it was the FTSE. If we look at the day chart, this is still potentially a trade for today as well, but it just hasn't broke this level. This is one stubborn level. But this is the day chart, guys. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. Price has come all the way back up. There's a bit of a level through here as well. And just look at these candles. Okay, so we've just got bearish candles, but it still hasn't broke this level. All right, and the idea was to take it back down to here, you know, if not further. And you can see that on the H4. Yeah, no matter how bearish these H4 candles are, look at that. Still holds. Look at that. Still holding. Whether it continues to hold, we'll see. But until this level breaks, guys, yeah, we're not interested in selling. But as soon as it does, you know, we can trade the retrace. All right, this is also a nice level, guys, but we need the break here. And we didn't get it yesterday, guys, so no trade for the FTSE. And those were the trade ideas from yesterday. Traders, if you enjoy receiving my analysis and my trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. So subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone could please smash the like button. It really helps support the vid. Thank you very much. Trades for Tuesday, the 6th of February. Before I get started, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? It's free. Yeah, we've got like-minded traders. You can share ideas, knowledge, trades. So come join our free Discord channel. We also have the VIP Discord channel where you get access to me. I give you my trade signals, my trade ideas, and you get a sea of trading tutorials to help you trade. So come check that out as well. Also, we've got the mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. If you're interested in that, drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can. You can become a Simply Forex YouTube member and you get many perks for doing so. Check it all out. Don't forget the live stream today as well, guys. 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get all of your questions ready for me. Also, guys, that leads me on to question of the day. So what we're going to do with question of the day, guys, is find out what you find difficult with trading, and then we can sort of, create some tutorials to help you with that. So question of the day is, what do you need help with in trading? What do you find difficult? So leave your comments below this vid, guys, and we'll try to do some tutorials on it. Okay, trades for today then, guys. So the first thing we want to point out is this. We saw US dollar strength yesterday, and we saw some pound, excuse my writing, I've been drinking, pound weakness. All right, this is what we saw yesterday come into the markets. All right, and so that's going to dictate a few trades to us today. First of which is this pound US dollar. So if we're seeing this scenario, guys, it makes sense to short pound US dollar. And that's exactly what we're looking at. So as you can see, guys, pound US dollar on the day chart, you can see, yeah, it was in this range and then bang. Yeah, we have had a break of this important support level. Yeah, that was support since, for ages. And now it's broke. We've got a nice big bearish candle. All we're trying to do, guys, is take price back down to this level. Yeah, because this is the next area of potential support, or even this level, because this is another level of support in here. So these are our two targets. But as you know, we need a retrace. So let's take a look at the H4. Okay, and as you can see, that wonderful level, I mean, that was beautiful support, this level. Really, we want to see price come back up into here. Yeah, moving average 20 catches up. We get a nice bearish reaction, and then we can start taking price lower. All right, that's what we want to see, guys. So pound US dollar, we're looking to sell that pair. Also on this US dollar strength, we're looking to sell Aussie dollar US dollar. But before we do, let's take a quick look at the dollar index. Because if we look at the dollar index, you can see this strength in the US dollar. So we pinpointed this area through here as an important area of resistance. And look, it's just broken through. So that supports our US dollar strength idea. So if we go back to Aussie dollar US dollar now, we're looking to sell this, obviously, because of US dollar strength. And as you can see, yeah, we was in this downtrend, and price had just stuttered, like with all of the US dollar majors, and then bang. Do we have our direction for the dollar finally? Okay, we broke all of these lows in here, yeah, with this candle here. All right, so we're looking to take price back down to this, like I say, the next area of potential support, if not a bit further to this level of support here. Excuse my big fat head in the way. So yeah, looking to sell Aussie dollar US dollar as well. If you drop down to the H4, Aussie dollar US dollar has, pound US dollar needed a big retrace, whereas Aussie dollar US dollar, we're just looking for a retrace into here somewhere. Okay, perhaps the moving average 20 catches up, we get a nice bearish reaction in here, and then we can start taking price lower. And when I say bearish reaction, guys, I mean H4 and or H1 bearish candle, a candle that tells me sellers are in control. And sometimes I combine this with a M15 structure break as well. Right, so these are the things I'm looking for. Okay, so yeah, Aussie dollar, US dollar sell. And like I said, guys, we also saw this pound weakness. So if we look at euro pound, this is my next trade idea. All right, and we're looking to buy this. It's important to point out actually this weekly level. So you can see on the weekly chart, we've got this wonderful level in here. This has proven to be very good support time and time again. All right, so we're bouncing off there. If we also look at the day chart, it's just broken this last high. Yeah, because if we look at structure coming down, yeah, we consider that the last high, price came down, didn't break this level, and instead, bang, we have had a very bullish candle, yeah, that broke that last high. Only just, but it did break it. Okay, so we're just looking to take price again to the next resistance level if we're buying. If we drop down to the H4, you will see, you can see that that's that last daily high, and it just broke up here. All right. And you can see we've had a H4 change in structure as well. So all we want, guys, is a bit of a retrace into this grey zone. Yeah, we get a bullish reaction, and then we can start buying this pair back up to here. All right, so euro pound buy. So those are my trade ideas for today, guys. I'm also looking at a few other things. So let me just point these out, but they're my main trade ideas. But I'm also looking at a few other things. And before I show you these other things, guys, if you are enjoying my analysis, enjoy receiving my trade ideas every day, then please come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. Also, don't forget to join our trading community, our free Discord. So I'm still interested in, what am I interested in? The FTSE 100. Yeah, so if we look at the day chart, okay, so I'm still interested in a break of this level. Okay, so one of the VIP guys also pointed out that if we look at UK 100, yeah, it's a very similar thing, guys, all right? Yeah, we're still waiting for a break. If you look at the H4, it's still a break of this level. Okay, we're still just waiting for a break of this level on the FTSE. As soon as we get that, we are interested in selling this indice. Also, guys, just some other pound weakness that I'm looking at. So pound Canadian dollar was almost a trade for today. Maybe it should be. Yeah, because price has broken, it is breaking down. And, it's broken. This candle has broken these lows. I just don't like the fact that it's a bit of a doji. But, this could well potentially be a sell trade today as well. So pound Canadian dollar sell. Other ones like pound Aussie dollar. Yeah, look, we're getting a really nice reaction here at those weekly highs. It's not making higher highs. Potentially this has room to come down to here. And also pound yen. The yen got some strength yesterday. It's worth pointing that out as well. So yen, indecision, break, retest, nice bearish candle, could potentially take this lower as well. The only problem with this trade is, look, the sort of all of that is potential buying zone. So yeah, that's why it's not one of my top trade ideas for today, but still potentially a trade. So there you go, guys. Those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. The news for Tuesday, the 6th of February. As you can see, New Zealand's on holiday. Enjoy your National Day, New Zealand. And very shortly, in 5 minutes, all of these times are London GMT, we are going to have the interest rate decision of Australia. This is obviously very important. Like all central banks, they're planning on keeping it the same at 4.35. So we shall see in 5 minutes, guys. This is going to, obviously be super volatile for any Aussie dollar pair. All of this information, the policy statement and the rate statement. So must be aware of this. I'm sure none of you are up yet, but if you are, yeah, you got 4 minutes, pay attention. After that, we are interested in the following. At 9:30, coming out of the UK, we've got construction PMI. So we are interested in that. That's potentially a 2/3-star rating. And then at 1:30, coming out of Canada, we've got building permits. Need to be aware of that. That could move Canadian dollar pairs. And at 3 o'clock, we've got IV PMI coming out of Canada as well. Other than that, guys, no other news for us to worry about. That's it, guys. Please join me for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get all of your questions ready. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later.